Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Gavin. In this video, we will be talking about limits. We have one with the functions involving trigo functions. So actually, I'm adding one more in there. No, we have sine function, cosine, and tangent dito. In the previous videos, we only had these two. So this time we have the other one, the tangent t all over t. So what's the limit of tangent t all over t? First is ito na siyang itong answer. We will try to solve the limit of that function using these two. Una is, syempre, you will try to substitute muna. If you will try to observe, may balik suwat kung naatay limit of tangent t all over t as t approaches 0, and then as we substitute the value, this becomes tangent of 0. Oops, yn. So this would be tangent of 0 all over 0. And tangent of 0 is always 0. So you have 0 over 0 again, which is indeterminate. So you have to do something, either tabular, or pwede sa nga itong ganito yung concept. Why? Okay, so let me show you this one. The limit of tangent t all over t is just the same as the limit. No, kana siya ang good. Kani mo sa sine, I mean si tangent t. Pwede maguna ko na siya ma-transform into sine t all over cosine t. And then, we have now this new image of the function. But I am not changing the value gihapon ha. We have the identities in trigonometry. Tangent t is equal to the ratio sine t over cosine t. Okay, so you have to remember it one. If nakalimot na, balik na sa classes in trigonometry. Okay? So, from here guys, pwede na ako na siyang pareha ganina sa nasa pinakita sa tanawa ha si sin t o cosine t na sa na target na si target dali kay kung mapares ko na mapareho na siya ana, which is just equivalent to 1 and then after. Okay, so how will I do that? Same story kanina, ako ana siyang i-multiply tangtangon ko ng cosine t diha sa denominator. So, ako na siya multiply of cosine t. Why this? Because I have, because naka-think in advance, because I think in advance na cosine t multiplied by this, makancel ba si cosine t ang mahibilin, ang sine t na lang. Okay? So, of course, para di ko mag-violate of any rules in math, I should also divide it by cosine t. So that, kanini siya, equivalent na lang siya of 1. Okay? Now, from here, this is now equal to the limit. Should I show it nga? Sige, ako na ipakita, no? So, mahimo na siya, guys. Ako na siya i-transform. Mahimo na siyang cosine t, sine t, all over cosine t, all over pa yun, no? T cosine t. So, ayun, multiply na ako na diha, kung ano na siya result. From here, you can cancel this out. Okay? So, mabilin will be, as t approaches 0. So, you have now the limit of sine t na lang mabilin sa mabaw all over t cosine t. As t approaches 0. Same as the last time. Akong puliton, no, ako na siyang ilain asad. Kanyang niya nasad akong ilain. Si sin t o si t, kaya pareho naman siya dito. Okay? So, from there, d will come up with the limit of sin t all over t as t approaches 0 times 1 over cosine t. Diba? Siyempre, kay mo na siya i-multiply ang duha, mabalik na siya. So, 1 times sin t is this, cosine t times t is this one. Now, again, same story, limit law. Recall limit law, pwede na ka mag-solve og limit na separate ang factors. So, sin t all over t as t approaches 0 times the limit of 1 over cosine t as t approaches 0. Okay? So from there, syempre, kanini nga siya, pareho na ani, which is equal to 1. So this is just equal to 1. Times, you have the limit of this one, yung mo lang substitute ang 0 diha, this becomes 1 over cosine 0. Okay? Remember, cosine 0 is equal to 1. So, may mo na siyang 1 over 1. So, 1 over 1 is 1 times 1, that's equal to 1 per di. Okay? So, kanina, napunta na tanong. Remember, every time you are solving for the limit of sine t all over t, that's always equivalent to 1. Okay? So, ako sa hirap matimalaan, ang kanini aran cosine ay involvement sa cosine ang naisimang, no? Si cosine t over t, 1 minus cosine t over t may 0. The rest, nanduha, sine function, tangent function, 1 na siya. Okay? So, let's have more example. Let's have another example. No? This will be our example number 3 na dayon. Okay, 2 naman doon sa pikas. So, let's try to solve the limit of the function, the limit of, let's say, 2x raised to negative 1 tangent of 1/2 x. Kana, ang ubay, mahadlok ba sa na fraction? So, kinahanglan, maanad mo nga na fractions na. When you substitute 0 to this, actually, negative na exponent, pwede rin na mo i-transform na rito. This implies lang, this is just the same with the limit. Because you have to understand, you have to recall all ni mo nakatunan in the previous years in mathematics. So, all over x. Actually, more na yung format. Usahay man God, libog-libogon lang ta, no? May nanayahang na, pero so may ganong negative na exponent. Pero actually, pareho na siya, di ba, remember, when the exponent is negative, you have to do the reciprocal. So, ang x, negative 1, pwede na siya, mahimor na siyang 1 over x. So, that's why x here is in the denominator. So, this is our angle anyway, 1/2 x. Now, when we substitute again, so if we will try to substitute the value of 0, I mean the value 0 to the function, this becomes equal to 2 tangent. Siyempre, 1/2 times 0 is just 0 all over 0. Now, from there, tangent 0 is 0. So, 2 times 0, siyempre, 0 gihapon. 0 over 0 ang result. So, indeterminate form gihapon siya. Okay, so, diskartihan na sad. Let's see what we can do. Narasan, no? Magkita na sad nato. Naragapon na guys, no? Tangent 1/2 x and x. Kung kita pa lang, kung nahimo pa lang ito ng 1/2 x po, then okay lang. Tatawa na yung problema. Problem is wala nang guard, no? So, find a way to make this 1/2. Pahitaag paagi para mahimo na siyang 1/2 x. Mapareho na din silang duha. So, kanina itong style, no? Meaning, I can just say that the limit of 2 tangent of 1/2 x all over x should be multiplied by 1/2 in the denominator, no? Dapat ma-multiply ko 1/2 sa denominator. Siyempre, aron nga 1/2 times x, may mo siyang 1/2 x, papareho na sila. Pero take note nga, kung naisip ko lahat para mas maklaro, ako siyang multiplyan again of 1/2. Again, the reason para may mo siyang 1/2 x, siyempre, para wala ko i-violate, mag-multiply sa 1/2 sa numerator. Okay na. So, siyempre, 1/2 over 1/2 is just 1 gihapon. So, whatever you whatever you need, basta i-balance na siya, both numerator and denominator. So, whatever you multiply in the denominator, must be multiplied also in the numerator or vice versa. So, gikan diha, sorry, wala ko nabutang as x approaches 0 pa rin eh. So, gikan diha, I can now simplify further. Siyempre, kanina, 2 times 1/2, 2 times 1/2, that's equal to 1 rin hapon. So, meaning, may mo na siyang limit of tangent 1/2 x. Again, because 2 times 1/2 is just 1. So, nandiyan lang kayo butang, no? All over, x times 1/2, 1/2 x, as x approaches 0. Okay, this is easy, no? Kaya ka na siya, huwag ka ni, pareho naman. Nga, according to this one, basta pareho ang angle denominator, then, checkmate, it's just equal to 1. So, 1 rabi ay ang result. Okay, so the limit there of this function is just equal to 1. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. We will have another discussion in the next one.